Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we're talking about the all-dark species of ibis in Sri Lanka. The glossy ibis. The glossy ibis is a water bird in the ibis and spoonbill family. This is the most widespread ibis species, breeding in scattered sites in warm regions of Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and the Atlantic and Caribbean regions of the Americas. Adults mostly dark with iridescent green and reddish tones. Very thin white border surrounding the dark facial skin. Dark eyes. Usually gregarious, it is found mainly in salty marshes and shallow wetlands. Unmistakable in most of its range. The scientific name meaning sickle and referring to the distinctive shape of the bill. Their calls are like locally named Silutu Da Thuduwa. I have not seen the glossy ibis. One such place you can see them is Bellanwila Wetland. In one of our recent trips to Bellanwila Wetland, we have completed the 4-kilometer walk around the lake. Unfortunately, we have not seen the glossy ibis.